So what is given here? The joint density function fx comma y x comma y is given as 4xy e power minus x square plus y square u of x u of y. Okay, this is the joint density function. Okay, now we have to find out the conditional density functions. What are the conditional density functions? Fx of x by y. Okay, fy of y by x, fx of x by y, fy of y by x. These are the conditional density functions we have to find out. Okay, so from the definition, conditional density function fx of x by y is given as the joint density function divided by the marginal density function. Okay, so that is fx comma y of x comma y divided by fy of y, and similarly fy of y by x, fy by of y by x. What is the definition? Fx comma y of x comma y divided by fx of x. Okay, so this is the definition for fy of y by x. Okay, these two are the definitions for conditional density function. See here, what is that we have here? X, no? Since you have x here, we have fxy of x comma y. What you'll be getting in the denominator? Only fy of y. Fy of y we will be getting denominator. Here, what is that we are getting in the denominator? Fx of x. Okay, fx of x we will be getting in the denominator. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out what is given in the problem. The joint density function numerator is given in the problem. What is that we have to find out? We have to find out the marginal density functions. Okay, how do you find out marginal density function? This is the definition of marginal density function. Fx of x is equal to summation minus infinity to plus infinity fx comma y of x comma y dy. It is the definition. Okay, to find out x, here we have to do integration with respect to y. To find out fx of x, the limits of y limits will be minus infinity to plus infinity, and dy we have to do integration with respect to y. The joint density function we have to consider here. Okay, substitute joint density function. What is given in the problem? It is given that u of y. What is u of y indicates? U of y indicates that this function is defined only for y greater than or equal to 0. U of y indicates what? This function is defined only for the value greater than or equal to 0. Now, what are the limits of integration? So, we have to take only the positive values. So, we should not take the negative values. So, the limits of integration will become 0 to infinity. Okay, we have to take 0 to infinity. 4xy e power minus x square e power minus y square u of x dy. Okay, now u of y you no need to mention. U of y we have represented in the limits itself. Okay, what is u of y? U of y is having value 1 for y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now we'll be getting 4x e power minus x square u of x. So we are getting 0 to infinity y e power minus y square dy. Okay, now do this integration here. 0 to infinity y e power minus y square dy. Here we have considered y square is equal to dx. So 2y dy is equal to dx. So what is y dy will be dx by 2. Okay. So y dy will be replaced with what? Dx by 2. Okay. And y square we are replacing with, sorry, y square we are replacing with x. Y square we are replacing with x here. Okay, so then what happens to that integral here? The integral will become, so 0 to infinity e power minus x dx. Now substitute, do this integration, 0 to infinity. Now what is x value? X value is nothing but y square, no? So we have assumed x is equal to what? X is equal to y square. We have assumed x is equal to y square. Okay, so that is why we'll be getting here 0 to infinity e power minus x dx. Now x is equal to y square. Substitute the limits. What is that integral value we got? The integral value is equal to 1 by 2. The integral value is equal to 1 by 2. So what is fx of x? Fx of x is 4x e power minus x square u of x into the integral value is 1 by 2. So fx of x is 2x e power minus x square u of x will be getting. Similarly, the find out fy of y. Fy of y will be getting it as 2y e power minus y square dy. Now, what is conditional density function? So, conditional density function fx of x by y is equal to the joint density function divided by fy of y. Okay, fy of y we already found here. It is 2y e power minus y square uy. Okay, substitute that. So what is fx of x by y? It is 2x e power minus x square u of x. Okay, because all y terms are getting cancelled, no? All y terms are getting cancelled. You don't have any y terms here. If you have y terms also, then you have to write it as u of x, u of y. Y terms also we have to consider. U of y you have to write. Since we have only x terms, you can write only u of x. Okay. So similarly, we have to find out what is fy of y by x. Fy of y by x is given as fxy of x comma y divided by fx of x. Okay, fx comma y of x, fxy of x comma y divided by fx of x. Okay, now fx of x we already found. Now what is fy of y by x is equal to 2y e power minus y square u of y. Okay, so like this we will be solving this problem. Students,